Want to know one of my favorite ingredients to add to my smoothies at the end? It's got amazing nutrients to it. It's got a great taste. I love it. I put it in my smoothies. It adds a nice crunch to it as well. And I'm going to show you that today and all the different benefits that it has. So what am I talking about? I am talking about cacao nibs, not cocoa nibs, but cacao, C-A-C-A-O. And these provide a lot of antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which decreases inflammation. It helps to increase blood flow to your heart, to your brain, your nervous system, and of course, again, your spine, your discs, because we want to make sure we get the good nutrients in, increase circulation, bringing the good stuff in, and getting rid of the bad stuff. It also adds in that nice crunch. It makes you chew rather than just swallowing and gulping your smoothie down. It helps get the digestion process started, gets the enzymes going in the saliva, and then also these other antimicrobial agents also in the saliva that helps to break things down, to break down the foods better so you can digest it even easier. And I like it, again, when you're chewing something and chewing your smoothie, yes, it gets the digestion process started, but then you drink it slower rather than just, like I said, gulping it down. Another great benefit of these cacao nibs are magnesium, which is great for the muscles, the bones, the nervous system. And if you're looking for a little pick-me-up, it also has theobromine, and that adds a little bit of a natural lift. It's not caffeine, or it's not like that jolt of caffeine, but then you also don't get the crash. So here, these, again, I got these from Thrive Market. It's organic cacao nib. There's a bunch of different places you can get them, and they're in pretty much any grocery store, health food store, but you want to look for organic ingredients, just like with any of these other smoothie ingredients that we use. We want to have organic as much as possible. So all I do, so you see I already got mine blended. So you add it after it's blended, and you can measure it out if you want. I usually just dump some in there. Maybe it probably works out to half a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon. So I just, I dropped one. Drop it in there because it doesn't take a whole lot. See, they're really tiny. They're nibs. I can't even probably show you any of them, but they're so small. So then you put them in there, you put the top back on, and then you mix it up, and then it gets interspersed throughout your smoothie. So then when you take a drink, you have 2, 3, 4 of them in each gulp or each drink, and then you chew it, swallow it. Again, it helps you to pace yourself on just drinking your smoothie down. So I love it. It's a great add-on, like I said, at the end of the smoothie. You can put them in while you're blending it, but again, I like adding it later. And I actually have a smoothie and shakes guide that I created. So if you want that, I can send you different recipes, and then also my 7-step process that I take when I actually make my smoothies. And this is one step of them, is adding these types of ingredients at the end. But type in smoothie into the comments and I will get that guide to you. And in the meantime, smoothies, your health, or smoothies, your daily living activities, all these things that I'm teaching you, they're all to, just like the shirt says, be your own guarantee for your health and your life. All right, see you next time.